In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a tripod grill to cook over your fire pit. So stay tuned and watch the video through. So here's what we need to set up the tripod for cooking over a fire pit. What we bought was, actually I got this for a birthday gift. It's a Herbert tripod grill, and it comes with a 27-inch grade stainless steel, and it has adjustable chains right here. You see? That's adjustable. Quality looks good on it. It's pretty simple setup. It comes with altogether 6 poles, but these are the bottom poles here. This is going to be the second layer. It comes with a pulley, so the chain will wrap around here, and you can hang this up. As you can see, this is very good quality material, stainless steel, so it's supposedly last for years to come and throughout different types of weather. So this is what we need, and the link will be in the description where you can purchase the same type of tripod grill. So now we're going to go ahead and show you how to set it up. So as you can see, we have our fire pit set up over our outdoor fire pit. There's another thing I'd like to mention is that you can, if you have a portable fire pit, you can also set this tripod fire pit cooking grill over a normal fire pit. So we made videos using this fire pit, so you can also use this tripod over the normal fire pit. So my wife is going to show you guys how to adjust it.
So as you can see, this chain has a little hook, so you can roll it down, you can make it deeper, and you just hook it into here somewhere, wherever it fits. Then you can make it even. You know, you can twist it around to the side, you can twist it in a circle, you know, for the grilling purposes. You can make it higher, you can make it lower, however you need. You know, different food, different meat needs different heat, so you can make it higher or deeper, however you need it. And for your portable fire pit, what he just showed you, it needed to be more up than on our fire pit in the ground. Yep, that's it.
So if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And be on the lookout for more videos to come.